How to uninstall apps on iPhone. Uninstalling apps from an iPhone is a straightforward process, but it can be a little different depending on the operating system your phone is running. We will walk you through the steps for uninstalling apps on iPhones and iPad. Uninstalling apps on an iPhone can bring numerous benefits to users, making it an important part of smartphone maintenance. What are some benefits of deleting apps on your iPhone? Free up storage space. One of the primary benefits of uninstalling apps on an iPhone is that it can free up valuable storage space. Over time, as you download and use more apps, your iPhone can become cluttered and start to run out of space. Uninstalling apps you no longer use can help you reclaim that storage space and keep your iPhone running smoothly. Improve performance. Uninstalling apps can also help improve the performance of your iPhone. Apps that run in the background or are taking up too much memory can slow down your device, leading to lag and other performance issues. By uninstalling these apps, you can improve your device's performance and ensure that it runs smoothly. Reduce battery drain. Apps that run in the background or are poorly optimized can also have a significant impact on your iPhone's battery life. Uninstalling these apps can help reduce battery drain and ensure that your device lasts longer between charges. Protect privacy. Finally, uninstalling apps can also help protect your privacy. Some apps collect and use personal data, which can be a concern for many users. Uninstalling these apps can help reduce your exposure to potential privacy risks and keep your data safe. How to uninstall apps on iPhone. The first step in uninstalling an app from your iPhone is to find it. You can do this by either searching for it using the search feature on your home screen or by finding it on one of your home screens. Once you have found the app you want to uninstall, tap and hold the app icon. You will get a menu like this. Tap on Remove App. Here, tap again on the Delete app. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete. You have now deleted the app. If you like to get it back, go to the App Store and install it once more. Another way to uninstall apps on iPhone is to get into the jiggle mode. On the home screen, keep the finger in a place that is free of icons. Your phone will start the jiggle mode. Tap on the minus of the app you wish to delete. Here, tap again on the Delete app. Confirm the deletion by tapping Delete. You have now uninstalled the app. If you like to get it back, go to the App Store and install it once more. This is how you uninstall apps on your iPhone. Thank you for watching this. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.